What is happening with the person from Atascosa County?
I think the paperwork's been cleared. We can't, just finished going over, my client signed everything up.
My hand over there. I guess they're emailing it back, or I don't know.
It should be with Yaya, then Judge, she needs to swear him in.
Okay.
No, okay.
Well, did Max speak to her?
No, but Mata asked her for the side close, and they asked her. Actually, that's not.
Well, have Matt come talk to her, please. All right, Abel Junior Martinez. Court is calling 2025 CR 0000470 State versus Abel Junior Martinez III. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Ron Trevino for the accused.
And are you Abel Junior Martinez III? Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Abel Junior Martinez III who was placed on community supervision in 2025 CR 0000470 for the offense of theft of property
Yes, Your Honor.
less than $2,500 with 2 or more previous convictions on March 3rd, 2025 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
We're going to proceed on one of the violations, Your Honor. On or about the 16th day of October, 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Abel Junior Martinez III committed the offense of possession of a controlled substance in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We'll waive the other one, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers? Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, grant the motion and sentence you up to 6 years in the prison and up to a $2,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. You're in agreement to follow the probation department's recommendation, which is to amend for state ISF in the substance abuse track. You should remain in custody until the bed is available. And then we are going to reject the 2 unindicted cases.
And what are those cost numbers?
They are 2025 PF 41333 and 41334.
All right, any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No.
You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Abel Martinez Jr.
All right, what have you completed on probation?
Like 6 months. One of the CAT classes, I think level 2. Some drug classes on Zoom.
Mhm. So how often are you using?
I was reading, but I had somebody in the car.
No. I'm just trying to figure out what is your level of drug use?
Oh,
What drugs are you using?
heroin and ice
And how often are you using?
every day.
All right. So this is what the court will do. I will give you 2 choices. 1, I can deny the motion. I'll alternate amend conditions for safety. Or 2, I'll revoke you and sentence you to 3 years. Which would you prefer?
The first one.
Okay. So the court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include safety. And upon release, do a referral to felony drug court.
That is a
To felony drug court? Well, can you let felony drug court know that I know that there is a wait list or they don't have room, but that he really needs to be in that program?
yes, sir.
All right, thank you. And the state agrees to reject 2025 PF 41333 and 4334. Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful?
No, Your Honor, I think that would be good enough.
All right, so here's the thing, when we're off the record, when you get released from custody, if you ever find that you're going to use, or you just feel like I shouldn't have been released, I should still be in an inpatient program, just contact your probation officer and let them know, or let me know. It won't impact you as far as getting revoked, because you're trying to learn what you need to do in order to maintain your sobriety. Otherwise, only one or two things going to end up happening. You may end up getting revoked or in prison or something else, or either you may end up dying. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Okay.
May I approach him?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
At this moment in the courtroom, Abel Jr. Martinez stands before the judge facing a critical turning point. After admitting to daily drug use, the court weighs punishment against rehabilitation. The decision made here could determine whether his future leads toward recovery or deeper into the system.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. I haven't received any paperwork on Vasquez Benitez.
We're still waiting, Judge. Let me call Ascos and see if they faxed, or I think they printed it out and had him sign it. But you have to reset.
All right,
You're ready.
Jonathan Godina. All right, what is happening with your case? Your trial?
I think we're just waiting on the trial.
All right. They're telling me downstairs that there are And have you all already signed the acknowledgement of discovery?
I'll, no, just in case.
All right, just have a seat. And counsel, if you can do a punishment selection, please. Thank you. And you said you had a reset? Who is it?
Anthony Montego, page 7, 4 down, Judge.
Anthony Monteo. And Norma, see if Alfonso Cabanas wants to zoom in because we have his paperwork.
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry.
All right, where are we on discovery?
Judge, I did get the discovery. It's a lot of discovery. We did get a plea offer, so we're just asking for a reset. We'll come back.
Yeah, well, did you want to get the evaluation? Or did you want? Oh, can I tell her?
Sure.
Judge, it's my understanding.
Okay.
But I don't know if you want to do the referral now or later.
We'll do a referral so we can get an update on that. Probation on this case, can you do a referral to Veterans Treatment Court?
Yes.
And Norma, recall this for the beginning of January.
I can do the January 5th.
The what?
January 5th. Is it, do you want me to do the referral since he hasn't gotten?
Sure, if you can do it and find out what contact information they need so that they'll be able to get in touch with him.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you for addressing the public for court.
No.
All right, who else?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, okay. Are you ready for a plea, Judge?
Yes.
Alrighty.
We don't tell them that. I'm never gonna get the reason.
I'm sorry.
Not to leave.
On the one end, there's a-
Raquel Ortiz.
As the proceedings continue, the courtroom shifts to another defendant. Raquel Ortiz faces felony drug charges with serious prison time on the line. The judge carefully explains her rights, the consequences of addiction, and the harsh reality ahead, reminding her that one choice can define an entire life.
And is there an application?
No, ma'am, there's not.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 013077, State versus Raquel Ortiz. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for disability.
Rafael Leal for Ms. Cortez.
And are you Miss Ortiz?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ortiz, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Ortiz, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Your charge is possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, The fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and entering into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so, yes.
Ms. Ortiz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 2 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence.
State offer states one in attachment.
Not yet.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Just on behalf of my client, that the court follow the plea agreement, Judge.
All right. So tell me, do you have any children? So how long have you been using?
For a long time.
All right. Why did you start using? Have you figured that out yet?
Having.
Okay. Well, that's something you're gonna have to figure out, right? Because I'm gonna follow your plea bargain agreement. But if you don't get some help for this addiction, what's gonna end up happening, and your attorney can tell you this, either you're gonna end up spending a majority of your life in prison, or either somebody's gonna end up identifying your body, because the last time you use may be the last time you use. All right? There's still a great world out there for you, that if you didn't have the haze of drug addiction surrounding you, you will be able to really enjoy it.
In the final moments of this hearing, the judge delivers more than a sentence. He delivers a warning. Prison time is imposed, but so is a message of hope. Programs, discipline, and accountability remain her only path forward as the courtroom closes on another life altered by addiction.
When you go to prison, don't get institutionalized. Don't get caught up with, well, I'm here and everybody's doing drugs, so let me do drugs to feed my habit. Take advantage of all the programs that they have there, if you want to figure out what you want to do with your life, okay? All right, the court is going to sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $1,500 fine, time and money to run concurrent. The court is going to recommend the therapeutic community. It's to help you with any addictions you may have. You will still have to ask for that, though, because I don't have the jurisdiction to force them to place you in the program. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, there's to be no residing in households with minors. Anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. When you are released from prison, if you cannot find a place that can help you maintain your sobriety, if I'm still here, time you get out of prison, don't say, oh, freedom. You can come here, tell me, hey, you remember me? And I will tell you, I do remember you. I will pick up the phone. I will call a transitional living house for you so you can have a place to stay so you can continue on your road to sobriety. And start thinking about what you want to do in your life, because you can actually get a degree at the prison unless they change it. All right?
Yeah.
Welding is always a good occupation. They make a lot of money and nobody cares if you've been to prison or not, if you can weld. All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, Norma, on
The-
favela,